Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making skillet breakfast casserole. You'll need an oven-proof skillet because that's what we're going to be baking it in, and I got one right here. So we're going to start with a pound of breakfast sausage. I got my oven preheated to 350. I'm going to brown this sausage. I really like this smasher. It really breaks up the meat, and you don't have those big chunks. And if you'd like to purchase one, the link is down in the description. I want to drain this. I'm draining it on a paper towel. Put a little bit of oil so I can fry my diced potatoes. I've gotten diced hash brown potatoes that I'm going to brown up. We're going to let these brown up, get a little crisp before we start layering for our casserole. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, probably a teaspoon, and a little bit of pepper. You gotta season those potatoes up a little bit. And I got some garlic powder, probably just a teaspoon, and onion powder. And I like a little bit of paprika in it. Give it a little ump. I'm going to let that fry up. And while that is cooking, I've got a 2.75 ounce package of pepper gravy that I'm going to mix with a cup and a half of water. Get all the lumps out of it. Gonna check on our potatoes. Then we're gonna break 6 eggs into a bowl or a mixing cup. I want to make sure there's no shells in them. Stir the potatoes. You just need to get them lightly brown. You don't have to get them real brown. And just mix all that up. Break up all them eggs. Turn my heat down a little bit. We're going to pour these eggs into our water and gravy mix. I'm going to mix that all together. The potatoes are nice and brown. I'm going to layer the meat over the top. Just spread it out. Spread it out over the, then we're going to take our mixture, give it one more mix. We're going to pour it over the potatoes and the sausage. I got my oven to 350. Going to pour it all over it. Make sure everybody gets some around the edges. And we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes and check it to see if our eggs are done. I've got the casserole out of the oven. It was in there for 25 minutes until the eggs set. It looks great. You just test it. Comes out plain. I've got, the recipe calls for cheddar, but I've got cheddar jack cheese. I'm going to use that. I think the recipe calls for a cup and a half, but I'm going to put two cups. I'm going to spread that all over. Spread it evenly. We're going to let it cook, same temperature, for about 5 minutes until the cheese melts and is bubbly. The casserole's out of the oven. It looks gorgeous. With all that melted cheese, it's going to be good. You can put it, if you don't have a skillet that is oven safe, you can put it in a 9x13 pan. It'll be the same thing. You know, just layer it like I did in this one. If you want a little heat to it, you can always put some jalapeno peppers in it. Just put a couple of on top to spice it up a little bit. Down in the comments, let me know your favorite breakfast casserole. Also, in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise, as well as any affiliate links that I may have. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.